Electrocardiogram is an available and informative type of graph that records cardiac electrical activity from one second to the next. The ECG is a main part of clinical diagnosis and management of inpatients and outpatients, since it provides critical information about a wide spectrum of cardiac and non-cardiac conditions. Therefore, every healthcare provider is supposed to gain acceptable knowledge about basic and advanced clinical electrocardiography. ECG Land is doing its best to help you learn clinical electrocardiography by providing real ECGs. So, if you are eager to learn electrocardiogram like a cardiologist, join our channel.